hearing you. How can I help you?
All right, can you speak up for me, sweetie?
I'm having a hard time hearing you. May I ask who's calling?
I'm Cleo.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. What was that?
I'm Miss Cleo.
Miss Fields? Is there any way that you can try back on maybe a better connection? You sound like you're 1,000 miles away.
Is he incarcerated?
What was that?
Is he incarcerated?
Okay, I'm so sorry. Why don't you just try back here in about 5
He
minutes?
used to play football when he was in high school.
Okay, thank you.
And you know what? Know that to be a positive thing.
Okay, I am so sorry.